Hey guys, welcome to Trifecta Nutrition. And I'm so happy that you're watching this video right now because it means that you have taken the first and most important step when moving towards your big goal. Most of you, it's going to be losing weight, wanting to eat healthier food, train more, or maybe you want to gain weight and put some size on. Regardless of what that is, it's going to take a lot of hard work, a lot of commitment, and there's going to be a lot of bumps along the way. And I know from experience. Things like not having enough time, not having food prepped, not having enough money, and or just not knowing what to eat or where to get it is something that you will deal with day in and day out. And how you overcome those questions or overcome those, problems is by focusing on one decision at a time and winning that decision. Let us help you by taking care of the food. We will send you organic, fresh, never frozen, really clean, nutritious food that will help you take care of saving time and not needing to go to the grocery store, not needing to food prep, and that extra time that we give you back, you can put towards working towards your goal or spending more time with your family or getting more work done in the office because you want to hustle in your career. It's very important to us that you meet your goals, just as it is very important to me that I meet mine, and I know exactly what you're going to go through every single day. So focus on your stuff at home, focus on your family, your training, your work, and let us focus on your food.